Hey guys, let's unbox this Tapo C210. It's a pan and tilt home security camera from Tapo with 2K resolution. This camera has motion detection, person detection, baby crying detection, and night vision up to 40 feet. It comes with everything that you need for the installation. And here it works with Samsung SmartThings, with Alexa, Google Home, and the apps that you can download from the App Store or from the Google Play. Okay? Super simple. See here everything: motion detection and tracking, person detection, night vision up to 40 feet, two-way audio, so you can talk to somebody close to the camera and vice versa using your cell phone. Baby cry detection, micro SD card storage up to 512 gigabytes, so you don't need to record to the cloud. At least it's not mandatory. You can record to the cloud if you want to, but it's not mandatory, all right? You can just install the SD card. Has customizable block zones, 2K resolution, and 360-degree horizontal range, right? Let me just open the box here and see what's inside. There we go. Some paperwork here. The template for the installation, so you can mount this onto a ceiling. And here the quick start guide with everything that you need for the installation. You see here some information about the camera, the SD card, and the installation on a ceiling. So super good. More paperwork here. And here is the camera itself. It comes here in this plastic. There we go. Here's the lens, an LED that shows that the camera is working, microphone, and here the connector to the power supply or power adapter. And here a speaker, okay? So you can talk and somebody can hear from this speaker. And you can just use here this area to put the mount and mount into a ceiling, or you can use on a desk. There are this rubber feet, so you can just put on a desk. Just put it here like this, and here it comes with this power adapter, so you can just connect to the camera. So there is no battery inside. You just need to keep connected to the power supply all the time. And here is the mount, so you can mount to a ceiling, and the screws and anchors for the installation, okay? So super simple, everything here that comes in the box. And you just need to install and set it up. I'm gonna do this in the next video. This is just an unbox. Later you're gonna see the installation and setup. I hope you like this video. Please give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.